I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a live photo and settings open. Start now by picking the image you want. In Photos, press and hold to verify it animates. This is why it will become a live wallpaper. Once done, tap the Share button, select Use as Wallpaper, and make sure Live Photo is active. This first action links the animated frames to the lock screen. You're setting the source and ensuring the system recognizes the motion before you move to placement and customization. Now you'll fine-tune how the live photo appears and behaves. Move and pinch to crop so the part that moves stays visible. This matters because cropping can remove motion. Next, choose perspective or turn it off for a stable image, and confirm live photo is enabled so touch activates the animation. Make sure reduce motion doesn't block playback in accessibility. Preview the lock screen animation so you can see the result. This step prevents surprises after you finish by tapping Set and choose lock screen or both. This writes the live photo into your wallpaper settings. Press and hold on the lock screen to trigger the animation and confirm it plays smoothly. If it doesn't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is disabled in accessibility and that the photo still shows the live badge in Photos. Sometimes a live file was exported as a still. If needed, reselect the original live photo and repeat the process to restore motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.